Blade 150S. And it's pretty gusty now, so I'll probably just do basic maneuvers, flips and roll. If it calms down, I'll try to hover, take off. Move up as soon as it takes off. That roll is 100%. 100% still. Keep it on the side. Come on, stop flying around. Stay in front of me. This is this side right here. So I only have to do one battery. Whew, not too much collective down. Haven't flown this in a couple weeks. Alright, just fly it around. Try in stunt mode. Just up close. Okay, just stunt. Slow. Try some pitching, coordinate. Finger on the switch to hit it in case it rolls too much on me. Stunt mode only. Not bad. Whoa. Whew. Lost it. Big loop. That's close. Too much negative. Alright, out of batteries.